Do you ever feel like anyone could replace you? Like your absence wouldn't really change anything? People care about you, but deep down, you still feel forgettable. So you compare yourself to everyone. Smarter people, funnier people, more attractive people, more lovable people. And after a while, you stop feeling unique at all. You start believing anyone could take your place. At work, in friendships, in relationships, because somewhere deep inside, you feel temporary. Like people only keep you around until someone better appears. So you become hyper-aware of small changes. A shorter reply, a slower response, a different tone. And your mind instantly fills the silence with fear. They found someone better. They don't really need me. I could disappear and everything would stay the same. And the painful part is, you may not even realize how deeply you believe this. Because feelings like this rarely begin in adulthood. Sometimes attention only came when you achieved something, or when you were useful, helpful, easy, needed, because being needed felt safer than simply being loved. So you learned to earn your value. By performing, by helping, by becoming emotionally convenient, and eventually, your self-worth became connected to being chosen. So now, you constantly search for proof that you matter. You overanalyze attention. You notice who texts first. Who remembers you. Who chooses you. And every small rejection feels enormous. Not because you're dramatic, but because some part of you still fears being emotionally replaceable. And that is an exhausting way to live. Because human value is not supposed to feel conditional. You should not have to constantly earn your place in people's lives. Healthy connection does not make you compete for love. It allows you to exist without proving yourself all the time. And slowly, you can begin learning that too. Not instantly. Not perfectly. But little by little, you stop seeing yourself as disposable. You stop measuring your worth by who chooses you. And maybe, the moment you stop chasing proof that you matter is the moment you finally begin believing it yourself.